Hello students, today's topic is your animal worlds, which is of your class 5th chapter 2. Is it okay? Now animal world, as you know that we all are animal, but human being are the social animals. So as you know, different types of animal live in different types of places. Okay, so according to their habitat, you have to know that what do you mean by the habitat. The area in which a particular animal lives naturally is called its habitat. So tell me, all the types of animal can live in the same place? No. Some animal can live in forest, some are better to live in the desert areas, okay? As you know that some having the comfortable with the mountain areas, snow covered area, oceans, air, these all are, okay? So, according to their habitat, according to their body features, they are enabled to survive in their particular habitats. Okay. So, the first one is your different. The main habitats for animals are forest, deserts, mountains, snow cover area, oceans, air, these all are, okay. Now one by one I am going to discuss about the which type of animal can live in your forest. As you know that forests are large area but that contain a varieties of tree and other plants, okay. Large varieties of animal live in the forest, such as you can take example lion, tiger, they all are live in caves. Is it okay? You can say that snake in holes and rabbits stay in burrows. Okay, get it my point by the forest. Now the second one point is your desert. As you know that desert are hot places areas. Hot areas are called deserts. So water in hardly found in these type of area, okay. And as you know that in desert places during the day it's very hot, and at the night they are getting cool, okay. So some animals can live in a particular desert portions. As you should know that there are lots of example, like you can say that desert lizard, desert rats, and some have they have thick skin to save water, okay. As you know, in the case of camel, you can say that camel store fat in the humps and uses it as a food when it needed, okay. And also camel live without food and water for a long time, and camel also having a long leg which keeps their body away from the hot sand, okay. So these all are talking about the camel, okay. Now the next point is your highly mountain regions. Highly mountain regions are the cold region, cold places that all the areas are covered with the snow, okay. So as you know that polar bear, seal, penguin, these are the examples who live in a mountain and a snow cover area, okay. Now come to the oceans. As you know that the oceans is the largest habitat on earth, and animal that live in water are called aquatic animal, and the animal who lives in the water as well as on the land are known as amphibians, okay. So I am going to talk about the oceans, like blue whale, octopus, shark are the examples who are living in the oceans, okay. As you know that all the types of bird can easily fly in the sky, so they are known as aerial animals, okay. Is it okay here? So now next the topic will be your adaptation in animals, okay. So student, next topic is your adaptations in animal. Firstly, you have to know that what do you mean by this word adaptation. Adaptation, it means the changes. Changes where? Changes in the behavior of an organism. Okay, so here I am writing the definitions for you. Adaptation. Adaptation, it means it is the changes in the behavior of an organism that helps to survive in its particular habitat, okay. So adaptation, it means those animal can adopt their lifestyle in a particular atmosphere, okay. So adaptation may be body covering, according to the different types of animal having different types of body covering, like a shell, scale. Later on we will discuss about the particular topics of these, okay. So adaptation may be body covering, breathing organs, different types of animal having the different types of breathing organs, okay. The movement, many of the animals can move from leg, many of the animals can move from their skin, so later we will discuss. now according to their feeding habitat. Okay, so as you know that the children's millions of different types of animal survive in the earth. Okay, so as you know, have you heard the name of amoeba? Amoeba is a very microscopic organisms, and in compared to amoeba you can see the other example like a blue whale. You can see it with the naked eyes. So these all are having the different body feature according to their different categories of their, according to their lifestyles. Okay, so later we will discuss about the first one topic, body covering. Okay, so the next video will be of your body covering.